Everybody, this is Exquisite Black Rose and you're back for another makeup video. In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be doing a purple look. I made a video some time ago about these palettes that I got for really cheap. I never did a makeup tutorial on them to see how they look and are they pigmented. So I'm going to be trying out this palette today. Electric Violet Edition by Rimmel London. So that's what I'm going to be creating my look with today. Hopefully it's going to be very simple because I want to do something that's dramatic but also simple. So for the people who's learning to do something, they want to do something grand and like beautiful and something that they don't usually do, they could probably do it. I want to only use 3 different colors. I'm going to try my best to minimize it down to 3. If I can't, oh well, but I'm going to try to make it as simple as I can. Okay, so right here I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Revitalizing Cream to moisturize my face. So now I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Revitalizing Cream for your eyes. It's called Eyebrow. Okay, so I used up the last of my favorite eyebrow pencil. So I was forced to settle on using some type of eyeliner pot that I had that I never used. So I never ever use black. So today will be the only video you see me using black. I just had nothing else to work with. So I had to put my eyebrows on with something. So bear with me because I'm not used to doing my eyebrows this way, but it still came out okay. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is the concealer I'm using by BH Cosmetics in the shade 114. If you want, you could go all the way down with this. It really doesn't matter. The process of getting beautiful, well, enhancing your beauty, because we all are beautiful in our own way. But one of the cons of preparing to be beautiful is in the middle of doing it, you look like the crazy lady. Because this looks crazy. All right, so we're going to blend it with our blending brush. So I'm really irritated because my favorite blending brush has mysteriously disappeared. And I have to settle for the brush that I have. So right now I'm just going to set my concealer. So what I'm using right here is some L'Oreal powder foundation. And all I'm doing is putting it on top of that concealer to set it. So now I'm moving on to the eyeshadow. Right now, I'm going to be using this brush here. It's called a crease brush, but I'm going to use it as a blending brush since I cannot find my fluffy blending brush. So right now, I'm going in with the Nubian 2 palette by Juvias, and I am using the shade Madagascar. First, I want to go with a light purple for the top because we just put the brown on there to kind of neutralize it and bring it down a notch. So I think we're going to go with a light purple. This one right here. It's like a lavender. I don't know if y'all can see that well. It's like a lavender color. So we're going to go with that. This one right here. So with this lavender from this palette, you have to build it up just a little bit. But you see how pretty it is? Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Wow. If you watched my last video, you know that I only paid 50 cents for this eyeshadow palette. I have a few of them. And I paid 50 cents, I think, for 2 of them. And for the other 2, I paid like 10 cents. Using coupons. Y'all know I got to have my coupons. Okay, so now that we got that color on there. So once you get it on there, just blend it a little bit at the top so that you won't have any harsh lines. Okay, that's very beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about that color. And for some reason, these colors, they don't have them like labeled which one is which. It just says Electric Violet Edition. That's it. Okay, so now we're going to move on to a darker purple. This purple right here. Right there. Excuse my nails. I was taking my nails off again because it's time for a new set. So when I get my nails done, I always have them put it on super thick so that they last. And like even when I'm trying to get them off, they are hard to take off. Okay, so now let's move on to the next color, which is the darker purple. I don't know if I mentioned, I'm trying to do the halo look. So that's why I'm starting here. So you're going to get right here in the corner. And then you're going to take it to the other side. Oh, right around here. And if you go over too much, don't worry. We're just going to put concealer over it anyway. So you want to bring it to about the middle, right there. The first color I used, I really liked. This darker color is taking way too long to build. I don't think I like that about it. So far, I'm not liking that. I like pigmented colors so that I can just put it on and go about my business, because this is taking longer than what I expected. Okay, so y'all can see that a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I like this palette that much. It's not making me excited, and I like to be excited when I use anything concerning my makeup. So now we're going to take that same concealer that we used in the beginning by BH Cosmetics. We're going to take it and, ooh, too much. Not too much. We're going to take it and go right in the middle. You want to take a clean brush and just get that extra concealer off that you do not need. Okay. So now we're going to go in with Juvia palette again. And we're going to use the shade. Let's go for this one. Let's use this shade right here. Whenever I'm doing a halo eye, after I put the color in the middle that I want, I just take it and like try to blur the lines just a little bit. So as y'all can see, I had to do my wing liner off camera for the simple fact of some days I get it right as soon as I do it, and other days it's lopsided. Oh. Yeah, some days I can get the liner correctly as soon as I do it, and other days it takes me a while, so I had to do that off camera. So right now I'm going in with Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Foundation, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face, of course, and parts of my neck. So now I'm going in with my Banana Deep baking powder made by Revolution Makeup. I've got my baking powder on. We're going to do some highlights. So I have this pretty purple highlighter. It's called Liquid Highlighter, and I'm going to use that while this is baking. Don't worry, I'm not going to look like the crazy lady. I'm going to blend this in with my foundation brush. It's okay if you end up moving the banana powder, your baking powder. Now we're just gonna go back over that area that we put our baking powder on. I'm just gonna blend it in and dust it away. I'm going to set it with this setting spray called Natural Finish, made by Wet n Wild. So I'm going to go in with this dark purple lip liner. This is the overall look. I wanted to keep the lips a little simple. At first I had something dramatic, but I was like, no, this is just too much. Leave a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, my name is exquisite_blackrose, and follow me there. Please leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you guys thought about this video. Let me know if you thought it was easy. Let me know if you thought it was hard. I hope you guys liked this video, and thanks for watching.